Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Oz Canopies and 4x4 Chris here. What we've got today is we're going to get one of our platforms fitted on this brand new Isuzu D-MAX. Not only that, we're going to get our light bar fitted to the front of it as well. We're going to put that on a separate switch. We're going to show you the entire process. If we can, in the video, we're going to see if we can capture a little bit of the work that's happening at the rear as well. We're going to get an EGR Dust Defence Kit back there, right? We're going to go through the entire process for you guys, get into all the nitty-gritty details, as I know you guys like us to do. Other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the fitting process of getting this platform on this Isuzu D-MAX. It was a bit of an involved install, just making sure that we get the wiring very nice and clean. You can see we've sort of followed it right from the rear over here, just make sure that it's as nice as it can be. You can see the light bar on the front, looks sitting pretty, just underneath the platform, just enough space to get that single row light bar fitted, right? Very, very straightforward in regards to its operation. In fact, give me 2 seconds and I'm gonna be right out to show you us the light bar. Too easy, guys. So boom, watch out. There's a cameraman, are we filming? Right, there you go, right? So watch your eyes, all other drivers. Right, so very, very straightforward. This one's got an internal switch on it as well. If you wanna come around, Dan, the cameraman, show the people the internal switch. Right, beautiful, right just over here, making sure that it is compliant. So basically you turn the switch on and then afterwards you've got that high beam trigger, or you can turn it off and just use the regular high beams of the vehicle if you don't wanna, you know, make everyone on the road hate you. Or unless if you do, you just turn it right on. Anyway, so while we're here, we may as well show the additional piece that we did on this bad boy too, which was the Dust Defence Kit. You can see the Dust Defence Kit from EGR, by far the best one. You've got the additional bracketry that's actually riveted to the tub as well to make sure that it is actually a unit that seals correctly rather than those sort of double-sided tape ones that you can find, the cheapos, right? So anyway, platform, Dust Defence Kit, light bar, Chris, Oscanapism 4x4. If you want any of that stuff on your ute or you want to have a look at everything that we do for the utes that are available on the road today, oscanapis.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you want to see more of these ones, we've got plenty more in the pipeline. See you guys on the next one.